You know what's wild? Most YouTubers are following advice that's basically poison, and they don't even realize it. They're out here grinding, uploading every single day, joining sub-for-sub groups, buying views from sketchy websites, and wondering why their channel feels like it's stuck in quicksand. Well, guess what? That advice isn't just bad, it's actively killing your growth. Think of YouTube like a massive playground. Seriously, imagine it. There's swings, slides, monkey bars, tons of stuff to do. Now, YouTube's algorithm, that's basically the playground monitor. The algorithm's entire job is to watch which kids are having the most fun, which games keep everyone playing the longest, and then invite more kids to join those games. Makes sense, right? So when you follow terrible advice, you're basically the kid who shows up with broken toys, starts games nobody wants to play, and wonders why everyone walks away. The playground monitor sees this and stops inviting kids to your corner. The worst part? You probably heard this advice from someone who sounded super confident. Maybe they had a decent subscriber count. Maybe they seemed successful. But here's what nobody tells you. Bad advice spreads faster than good advice. Always has, always will. Let me break down the biggest lies destroying small channels right now. First up, upload daily. Sounds productive, doesn't it? More content equals more chances to go viral, right? Wrong. So incredibly wrong. Back to our playground analogy. Imagine you're that kid who brings a new toy every single day. Sounds great, except the toys are cheap. They break after 5 minutes. Other kids pick them up, get bored instantly, and walk away.
That's what daily uploads do when you're not ready for them. You sacrifice quality for quantity. Your videos become rushed, your editing gets sloppy, your research basically non-existent, and viewers can tell. Oh, they can absolutely tell. They click on your video, watch for maybe 30 seconds, and leave. And every time someone does that, the playground monitor takes note. Kids aren't enjoying this game. Maybe I shouldn't invite more kids over here. Your retention tanks, your click-through rate drops, the algorithm stops promoting your videos, and you're stuck wondering what happened even though you're working harder than ever. One quality video per week beats 7 terrible ones, every single time. Now, don't get me wrong, some creators can upload daily. Mr. Beast has a whole team. MKBHD has years of systems in place. But you're probably one person with a camera and a dream, and that's fine. That's actually more than fine. But trying to match their output when you don't have their resources? Recipe for burnout and failure. Next nightmare. Sub for sub. Oh man, this one makes me sad, because I get it, I really do. When you're starting out and your subscriber count is sitting at 12, and 8 of those are your relatives, seeing sub for sub groups feels tempting. Let's go back to the playground. Imagine you walk up to random kids and say, "Hey, I'll pretend to be your friend if you pretend to be my friend." They agree. You high five. You both walk away and never talk again. That's sub for sub. You're collecting dead subscribers, people who will never watch your videos, never comment, never engage. They're basically ghosts haunting your channel. And the playground monitor notices, big time. See, YouTube doesn't just count subscribers, it measures engagement. When you upload a new video, YouTube shows it to a small percentage of your subscribers first, like a test. If those people watch it, engage with it, enjoy it, YouTube promotes it to more people. But if your subscribers are fake, they don't watch. Your engagement rate plummets. YouTube thinks your content is garbage and stops promoting it. You've essentially told the algorithm that your videos aren't worth watching. Congratulations, you played yourself. Buying subscribers is even worse. Those aren't even real people. They're bots, empty accounts, and YouTube's getting smarter at detecting this stuff. Channels get flagged, videos get suppressed, sometimes channels get deleted entirely. Not worth it, not even close. Third horrible piece of advice, focus on monetization immediately. I hear this constantly. Hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours fast so you can start making money. But chasing monetization before building a foundation, that's like trying to open a lemonade stand on the playground before you've even figured out how to make lemonade that tastes good. You start cranking out low-effort content, clickbait thumbnails with zero substance behind them, videos stuffed with keywords but providing no real value, anything to hit those numbers quickly. And viewers smell desperation. They click, realize you're wasting their time, and leave. Your channel gets a reputation for being spammy. The algorithm stops trusting you. Instead, focus on building something real. Create content people actually want to watch. Solve problems, entertain, educate. Make videos you genuinely want to see yourself. The monetization will come, but only if you build on solid ground first. Fourth disaster. SEO doesn't matter, just make good content. Oh, this one's snaky because it sounds wise, doesn't it? Quality over everything. Sure, absolutely. But you know what's useless? Amazing content that nobody can find. Going back to our playground, imagine you've created the most incredible game ever invented. It's fun, engaging, everyone who plays it absolutely loves it. But you're playing it in the far corner behind the equipment shed where nobody can see you. The playground monitor can't recommend your game to other kids if they don't know it exists. That's what ignoring SEO does. Your titles are vague, your thumbnails don't stand out, your descriptions are empty, your tags are random guesses. YouTube's algorithm needs information. It needs to understand what your video is about, who might enjoy it, when to recommend it. Without proper SEO, you're basically whispering into the void. You need both, quality content and smart optimization. One without the other leaves you stuck. Fifth terrible tip: jump on every trend. Trends are tempting. Some random topic blows up, gets millions of views, and everyone rushes to make their version of it. But here's the catch. If the trend doesn't match your channel's niche, you're confusing the algorithm. Imagine you're the kid on the playground who's known for building amazing sand castles. Every day, kids come watch you build. The playground monitor knows to send sand-loving kids your way. Then suddenly, you abandon sand castles and start playing basketball, then hopscotch, then tag. The monitor gets confused. Wait, what does this kid actually do? Who should I send over here? Your channel loses its identity, your audience gets mixed, the algorithm doesn't know how to categorize you, and your growth stalls completely. Trends work when they align with your content. A tech channel covering a trending tech topic, perfect. A tech channel suddenly making cooking videos because cooking is trending, disaster. Stay in your lane, build your reputation, let other people chase every shiny object. So what should you actually do instead? Simple. Focus on value. Every single video should give viewers something worth their time. Entertainment, information, solutions, inspiration, something. Ask yourself before publishing, would I watch this entire video? Would I feel good about the time I spent watching it? If the answer's no, don't upload it. Quality beats quantity, always. That playground monitor rewards the kids whose games keep everyone engaged and happy. Be that kid. Master the basics. Learn how to write compelling titles that promise value without being clickbait. Create thumbnails that pop without being misleading. Write descriptions that help YouTube understand your content. These aren't fancy tricks. They're fundamentals, and most creators skip them entirely. Understand your audience. Stop obsessing over the algorithm. The algorithm is just trying to connect viewers with content they'll enjoy. So make content your specific audience will enjoy. Solve their problems. Answer their questions. Entertain them. Replace "how do I trick the algorithm" with "how do I serve my viewers better?" Watch what happens. Build consistency, not chaos. One great video weekly beats 7 mediocre ones. It beats random uploads whenever you feel like it. Consistency builds trust with both viewers and the algorithm. And patience.
Growth takes time. Those overnight success stories, usually years in the making. You're building something real. That doesn't happen in a week. So here's the bottom line. That playground monitor, YouTube's algorithm, isn't evil. It's not conspiring against small channels. It's simply doing its job, promoting content that keeps viewers on the platform. When you follow terrible advice, you're working against yourself. You're bringing broken toys to the playground, playing games nobody wants to join, and confusing everyone about what you're even doing there. But when you focus on quality, understand your audience, optimize smartly, and stay consistent, you become the kid everyone wants to play with. The monitor notices. The invitations start coming. Your channel grows, not overnight, not through tricks or hacks, but steadily, genuinely, sustainably. That's the difference between channels that die and channels that thrive. All right, class dismissed. Well, almost. Before you rush off, remember this. Building a YouTube channel the right way means understanding what to do after you've created quality content. Because getting views is one thing. Keeping viewers coming back is a whole different challenge. We'll tackle that mystery in our next lesson, Daily Money Classroom. We'll see you there. Don't be late.